Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video we'll be working here guys on a Chevy Cruze and we'll show you how to remove or replace front control arm guys. We'll demonstrate on the front right side, but front left is practically the same way as well. Quick introduction guys, every car we get at the shop we make at least 200 videos, including guys Chevy Cruze will have more than 200 videos. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now if you guys have any questions, leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your problem. If you want to save even more money guys, check out the link in the description of the video below guys. You can get parts for your car or tools for super good price, fast shipping. So let's start on it now. So whether you're working on the right side or the front right or front left, procedure is practically the same guys. So what we need to do, we need to remove, if you have wheel hubs, covers, wheel covers, go ahead, remove them. You get those plastic nuts loose, remove it. If you have aluminum wheels, you just skip to that step. Right now we're going to get the leg nuts loose. We'll have to go ahead and pull the emergency brake guys. If you have the car in park, if it's automatic, manual, put it in first or reverse. Usually consult your manual how to do that. But you can use guys tire shocks. They're the devices that you put behind the rear tire so the car doesn't roll anywhere on you. So we're going to get those loose. While we're doing that actually, let me show you what a tire shock means. And we have another plate here. That's it. That's guys the device I'm talking about. You just put it behind your tires. And what's going to happen? You should put two of those, one on the front, one on the rear side of the tire, and when you place them, the car cannot roll on you. So I recommend to have 4 of these, 2 on each rear tires when you're working on the front end of your car. Do that only on level ground. Don't do it guys on a slope, because it can easily fall off the jack or the jack stand. So we're going to jack it up now. And we'll get a jack stand. Always use that jack stands, otherwise what could happen guys, if that jack fails, the car will fall on you. So if you're super lucky you might survive, you may get hurt, you may get killed if you're unlucky, it really depends guys. But you have to be extremely careful and always think twice when you do that stuff. So you can see we're lifting it up now, coming off the ground. Now we're going to install the jack stand. Perfect, make sure that it's good. Now what we'll do, we'll just remove the leg nuts all the way. First we just got them barely loose to where they can go by hand. Then we'll remove the wheel and we'll get to the suspension. We're almost there. Perfect. Now we're going to take the wheel off guys. Pretty heavy wheel. And what we're going to do, we'll actually put it under the car. Just in case if something goes wrong, if it falls, at least it will fall on the wheel. So next, once you remove the wheel off, let me explain what you need to do right here on the bottom guys. Let me just focus quick, give me a second. Still a little bit blurry. Perfect. That bolt now guys, right there, that nut will need to be removed. This is the one that holds the control arm on the bottom towards the wheel hub. And we have the same. Let me get it from this side now. On this side is a bolt, on the other side is a nut. So I'm going to hold it here with one wrench while another person is taking it loose on the other side. And we need to take the bolt, the nut all the way off, and we'll need to slide the bolt out. So let's pass the little impact now. Probably save us a little bit of time. Okay, perfect. You can see working that way. Now we need to, guys, we actually probably, okay, let me try, see if I can unscrew it from this side with the 15 millimeter, or we'll need to. No, it's spinning freely, guys. What do we have to do? Put the nut on the other side a little bit on, so you don't make mess up the screw. And we're going to tap on it, guys, okay, with the hammer until it starts coming out, and then we'll take the nut off. So you have to be extremely careful, because if you bend it, okay, the thread, you won't be able to reuse it. So bolt is out. So we get a pry bar now, guys. Okay, let me explain right there. We're going to pry, okay, to separate, okay, the hub from the control arm. Okay, that's the ball joint, the bottom ball joint right there, guys. So just a little bit more and we'll be out. Okay, perfect. It came out, and you can see now the hub is not attached to the control arm anymore, guys. So we can gently pull it out. Careful not to break your ABS cable in the way. So guys, now the control arm, we cannot get to the nut there on the other side because we have one plastic cover underneath that we need to, guys, actually remove. So we're going to go ahead, okay, come under the car, and we'll start removing that cover underneath, guys. So you just have clips here and there, okay, that you need to disconnect, guys. Okay, you can see we're just removing each one of them now until that piece comes loose and we can get it out. So let's see what is holding here and there. Just clip after clip, guys, pull them, remove them. Okay, let's see if there is any more. It looks like we, guys, have a screw as well somewhere, okay, with Torx socket. So if you need to buy, guys, any tools or parts, again, the link will be in the description of the video below for your convenience. Torx 20 star looking bit. We have one screw towards the back, came out, one here, came out, and one towards the front. 3 screws, guys, that we removed, and that whole cover came out. Now we gained quite a bit of room. We get, guys, 18 millimeter socket, and now underneath we'll start getting things loose. We have 2 bolts on the back side, okay, right there, that we're going to remove, get loose and remove on the bottom left. Okay, we're just getting it tight that way, the other way around. Okay, the nut started spinning on top, so let me hold it. Let me hold the nut on top now. I'm going to get the 2 here, 18 millimeter socket. Okay, okay, box wrench, offset box wrench. Okay, it started getting loose. Okay, let me hold it because it's not gonna stay like that. Okay, this is the 18 again. Let's go. One bolt is loose, nut is there. Okay, we're going to grab the nut in a second. Let's get to the second bolt. Oh, I can't with that. I have to get a regular wrench, open end wrench. So let me go grab one. So, okay, we have a smaller wrench. Okay, let me grab it quick. Okay, very tight drum. Perfect. Okay, right there. So, you can see where I am. Just getting it loose now. I got it. I took it off. Okay, let's go again. Perfect. The little impact should be able to do it after that. So let's see. second one out. We have the two nuts that we need to remove. They're still up there, but since while we're still here, guys, we have one more, okay, right there, and we need to disconnect the ABS, okay, ABS speed sensors. So disconnect that from the control arm. Okay, perfect. And what do we have now? Okay, let me show you. Right there we have one more bolt, guys, with the same, okay, the same two there. We're going to hold, and I'm going to later start getting it loose on this side with 18mm. This is the front mount of the control arm. Perfect. Okay, great. Now, what else we have, guys? Okay, that control arm should start coming out. How? Okay, we're going to pull that thing a little bit out of the way here. Not too much, because your CV axle is there and you don't want to mess it up. But we'll push it up and out. We'll see if it comes. Now it's stuck on the other side. The nuts are still there. We need to get them later, not to lose them. Okay, came loose on the other side. We just have a little bit on this side. Okay, one second. I need to come on here to show you what's happening. Okay, right there. And the whole control arm, guys, came out of there as well. Now, this is the new one right here that we'll be installing. Everything is in reverse order. We took it apart, guys. Now, if you want to see where we got all the tools and parts and everything like that, guys, or you want to buy anything for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. Putting it together is in reverse order. We took it apart. I would recommend to put a new bolt on the ball joint. Every time you remove it, I would recommend to get a new bolt, because that's very important bolt. And consult your manual that sometimes some vehicles recommend to install new bolts here as well. Okay, the bolts that we removed, let me show you one of them, the big ones. Some, not this one. This one is for the ball joint. Let's see one of the big ones there. Just one of them. Okay, sometimes depends on the vehicle. It may be recommended to get new bolts as well, guys. And if yours are rusty, definitely get new ones too. So, as I said, putting it together is in reverse order. We took it apart. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.